Valladolid, in the Yucatán Peninsula of Mexico, is a small walkable town full of color, nice people, and lots of history. It's a great base to do day trips to see the nature and wildlife of Rio Lagartos or the ruins of Ekpalam, but in this video, I'm going to focus on things to do right in town. Meet a local guide and take a free walking tour to discover the town by foot. It starts in the main square with the visit of the cathedral. If you take the morning tour, you will visit the colorful market. In the evening tour, you will walk to Calzada de los Frailes, a colorful street with lots of cafes, restaurants, and shops. This is the road that the monks would take between the church and the Convento de San Bernardino, where the tour finishes. But before he leaves, the guide will teach you how to count in Mayan. After the evening tour, you can watch a show where images are projected on the convent and retrace the history of the town. Check out the main plaza. The main plaza is a cute little park with vendors where you can see dance demonstrations in the evening. Forget to check out around the main plaza, where you can find several restaurants and souvenir shops, and the Palacio Municipal with 4 large murals retracing key moments in the history of the city. The Yucatán Peninsula is renowned for its cenotes, sinkholes filled with fresh water. There are 2 in Valladolid, but they were both closed for renovation during our visit. You can still see them from the outside and the wildlife. This is cenote Samula, just outside of town, accessible by bike and beautiful. The Casa de los Venados was not initially on our radar, but was recommended by our free walking tour guide, and it was a really good surprise. It's a huge house filled with art from all over Mexico, collected by a couple from the United States who turned their house into a museum. The food in Mexico is delicious, and the Yucatan has many Mayan specialties like this one, made from pumpkin seed, salbutes, which are fried tortillas with toppings, tacos, and chilaquiles, which is a traditional breakfast dish. Valladolid is beautiful, affordable, walkable, and definitely worth a visit.